Hello again, today I going to teach you how to select the image without using Path tool. As I told in the beginning, we will learn step-by-step toolbox. Today I going to teach you Magic Wand tool. You are still in the mask layer. Right-click your mouse button. Then go to rasterize layer. Why you need to rasterize? Because in the beginning we drag image to artboard. If you forgot that, go back to first tutorial and watch it. Now we going to remove the mask. Go to bottom of the layer panel and click to trash icon on layer panel. Click to apply new message box. Mask layer is gone. So, we'll going move red box layer to bottom. Now you are learning about the layer panel also. How to operate it. You already know how to change the red color into another color, as we learned in previous lesson. I hope you still remember that. Go back to now your image layer and click into any area you want. I click into my blue area. Now I want to select multiple area. Go to left hand hide near to file menu, there is small toolbox. Click into send box as I did. Now I can keep your dotted line as per tutorial. So, you can increase the amount of the tolerance. It will help you to select your area faster. Hit the delete key in your keyboard. That area you select is gone. You can check it by hiding your layers. We already delete our mask layer. We can't take it back, erase area. But there is one more option. Go to Windows menu. Select the history panel. You will see in history panel recode your history. You can simply go to backward to your history. Then click to mask button. So outside is now disappear. Now I going to teach you how to delete inside blue part. Go to select menu on the top. As we learned before, click to inverse. Now hit again mark button. Now inside blue area gone. If you keep practice this method, you will learn how much in Photoshop. Simply change the colors as we did before tutorial. And start to erase it again. Now blue area starts to appear again. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial. We'll teach you how to create work text.